Good morning, students. This is new chapter, that is linear equation in two variables. Now I've written that one, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is known as linear equation in two variables where a, b, c are real numbers and a and b both are not 0. As a, x and y is present, that's why it is known as two variables equation. Why it is equation? Equal to 0 is written. So take as example 3x plus 4y plus c equal to 0. This is an example of linear equation, two variables. Now question 2x plus 3y equal to 4.37. Now from this question you have to find the value of a, b and c. Find a, b and c. Now first you compare by comparing with that linear equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now see, with this variable what coefficient is present? 2. So a equal to 2. Now compare these two. B equal to 3 and C is on left hand side and 4.37 on right hand side. If you take that one on left hand side, that becomes minus 4.37. So C equal to minus 4.37. In this way, a question is given. You have to find the value of a, b, c. Then first write the equation. Then compare with this one with the given equation. Next question. 2x equal to y. Here you also find a, b and c. That means find the value of a, b, c. Solution. Minus y equal to 0. Now compare by comparing with this one ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now x with this one 2 here a, so a equal to 2, y, so b equal to minus 1, here nothing is there, so c equal to 0. Now exercise 4.1. the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. So write a linear equation in two variables. Notebook is twice the cost of a pen, and you have to write a linear equation two variables. So let the cost of the notebook be rupees X and the pen rupees Y. ATQ, cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Notebook is twice of pen. Now take on left hand side. So x minus 2y equal to 0. So this one is the required linear equation in two variables. Two x plus 3y equal to 9.35. This linear equation is given. Now you have to find the value of A, B, C. Find the value of A, C. So solution. So first you compare. So by comparing with AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. So this equation becomes 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 equal to 0. Now here you have to find the value of A, B and C by comparing with this one. Therefore A equal to 2, B equal to 3, C equal to minus 9.35. This one is the answer. To Roman 2, x minus y by 2 minus 10 equal to 0. Now here you also find the value of A, B and C. By comparing original equation, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, a equal to 1, b minus 1 by 2 and c minus 10. Answer. X equal to 3y. So this can be written x minus 3y equal to 0. Now by comparing ax plus by plus c equal to 0, a1 minus 3 and c 0. Two x equal to minus 5y. So 2x plus 5y equal to 0. That this equation can be written in this way. Now by comparing ax plus by plus c equal to 0, a equal to 2, b equal to 5, c equal to 0. 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So by comparing ax plus by plus c equal to 0, so a equal to 2, y variable is not present, so b equal to 0, and that is constant per c, so c equal to 2. So these are the values of a, b and c. Now exercise 4.2, question number 1, y equal to 3x plus 5 equation is given. Three options are given. So first one is given unique solution. Second one only two solutions. Third one infinitely many solutions. So you have to select which one is the correct option for this question. So see solution. Y equal to 3x plus 5. Here whatever you put, take the value of x, get value of y. Suppose you take x equal to 0, then y 3 into 0 plus 5, that is equal to 5. Now you take x equal to 1, y equal to 3 into 1 plus 5, so 3 plus 5 equal to 8. Yeah, now you take x equal to 2, y equal to 3 into 2 plus 5, so 6 plus 5, that is equal to 11. So whenever you take more number of value of x, you get more values of y. So unique solution means only one solution. Only two solutions if there is more than two solutions. Third one is infinitely many solutions. So in this question, this one is correct. So option infinitely many solutions. That means when you take value of x against that one, you get the value of y, and this will going on. 2 Roman 1. 2x plus y equal to 7. So y equal to 7 minus 2x, or you can write that one by taking x variable terms one side, the rest part other side. Here I have taken y one side, the rest part on another side. In this question you have to find 4 solutions. So x by y one, 2, 3, 4. So now take the value of x. If you take x equal to 0, then see what will be the value of y. 7 minus 2 into 0, that is 7. So when you take x 0, value of y becomes 7. So one solution we got. Now take x equal to 1. So y equal to 7 minus 2 into 1. So 7 minus 2, that is equal to 5. So when you take x1, y is 5. So second solution you got. Now take x equal to 3 to find third solution. So y equal to 7 minus 2 into 3, 7 minus 6, which is equal to 1. So when x equal to 3, y is 1. So third solution you got. One more is required. Now take x equal to 4. Then what will be the value of y? 7 minus 2 into 4. 7 minus 8 equal to minus 1. So when x equal to 4, y is minus 1. So you got the values of 4 solutions for this equation. The next, pi x plus y equal to 9. Here you also find 4 solutions. So y equal to 9 minus x. First you take x equal to 1. So here becomes 1. So when you take x1, y 9 minus 5. Second, x equal to 2. So take x equal to 2. Now you put here the value of x. So y becomes 9 minus 2 pi. Third, take x equal to 3. So when x is 3, y 9 minus 3 pi. Now x equal to 4. Now here you put the value of x. So 4, 9 minus 4 pi. So these are the 4 solutions of this linear equation, 2 variable. number 3, x equal to 4y. X equal to 4y. That means you take the value of y, against that one you get the value of x. So first you take y equal to 1. Now put here x equal to 4 into 1, that is equal to 4. So when y is 1, x is 4. Next, y equal to 2. So x equal to 4 into 2 multiplied 8. So when y is 2, x 8. In this way, take y equal to 3. Put here in place of y. So 4 3 is 12. So x is 12. Now take y equal to 4. Now put here, so 4 into 4 16. So when y is 4, the value of x is 16. So these are the 4 solutions of this linear equation 2 variable. Roman 3. Equation is given x minus 2y equal to 4. In question number 3, a linear equation is given, Roman 1, 0, 2. Now you have to check this one. So this solution, this value of x and y is the solution of that one or not. So this one is the value of x, this one is the value of y. So x equal to 0 and y equal to t2. As this one is abscissor, this one is ordinate, combinedly you know that coordinate. So now put the value of x and y in this equation. So x minus 2y equal to 4. 0 minus 2 into 2 equal to 4. So minus 4 equal to 4, which is not equal. So 0 2 is, here you write this. It is not the solution of that linear equation. Now another coordinate you take, number 2, 2, 0. That means value of x 2 and y 0. Now write the equation x minus 2y equal to 4. In place of x write that value 2 minus 2 into 0. So 2 equal to 4, which is not equal. So answer, it is not the solution. Now third one, 4, 0. So value of x 4, y 0. So now write the equation x minus 2y equal to 4. Put the value of x and y. 4 minus 2 into 0 equal to 4. So 4 equal to 4. This one correct? So answer, it is the solution. This coordinate is the solution of that linear equation. So in this way, if a coordinate is given, you put the values of x and y in the given linear equation and check it, is it equal to right, and check that right, is it equal to right hand side or not. Both sides must be equal. Then you say that given coordinate is the solution of that given linear equation, two variable.